Hey guys, I'm back in another video, and today I'm going to be taking apart my Rubik's Cube and putting it back together. First of all, this is with a Shang shell. Pull these apart and then keep your thumb right here and then grab on to here, the centerpiece. Just twist it till it pops out. And then put that in a pile. And then twist the corner piece until it pops out, put it right in a different pile. And do that same corner piece, doing the same edge piece, and just keep pulling them out. And make sure you put them in a pile. Now I'll just start falling out. Which at this point, just find edges which look like this, or they have two colors on them. Put them in a pile, and the corners, they look like this. With three colors on them. And then put them in piles. And then you will be left with this for the core. Find the white side, which I already found. And now find your edge. Go to your edge pile. I found white and red. And then you just gotta wait, one sec. Gotta just push it in there.
You need to look.
And then you take another edge, another white edge, white and orange, and then push it in there. No, don't fall out. If it falls out, that's fine, just do it again. And white and green, just push it in there. And blue and white now. Blue and white, and then just pop it in. Once you got all of these in, flip it upside down. Okay. Once you got these, go to your corners pile. Now you're focusing on your corners. Find a corner that has white on it, and then make the white on the bottom, and then find any color. I found red, green, and white. So put the white on the bottom and push it in like that. Now this one is orange, blue, and white. Look, here. Get the white on the bottom, and then just push it in. And now, red, blue, and white. There we go. Do the same thing with all four corners. There we go. Okay, now that you got the T's and the full white side, you need to grab back to your edges. An edge that does not, an edge that does not have yellow on it. Right here, I'm doing the orange and green. And then just push it in like that. Do that with all the corners. Come on. And last corner. Right here. There we go. I got this and this. And look. You can even do this. Make it like this. I'm not doing that.
Is this
no.
today's test? Playing game.
And then, now that, stay on your edges. Now you should have 4 edges left. If you have less, then you lost one. If you have more, then you did something wrong. Or one of the pieces fell out. Now find your white, your yellow, and, whatever color. And then just,
This is today's
push it, and twist it, like make it
back.
side, and twist it up, and then twist it to its correct side. And now find. I found my yellow and green. Twist it to the side, and then push it up in. No, put it back in. Do that with all of them. Before doing any corners, do that with all the. The last one may be hard because there's only a little bit of room, but yeah. And now the corners. You gotta kind of be harsh on these. Okay, so gotta find a corner. I found this one. Put it to its correct side. Push it in. Like here, you didn't say that. Okay. I'll find my yellow. Is it right here? Like right here, you gotta like push it in. I do that with all 4 corners. The last one, it's kind of hard. Like push it in. Oh, that was kind of easy. And that's how you take apart and put together a Shang Rubiks cube. So yeah, bye guys. I'll see you next video. Peace out.